Solano ETF is going to get launched soon. This is primarily due to the success of Ethereum ETFs. I didn't think that SEC will grant the approval of Ethereum ETFs given that Ethereum is a security. I didn't think that SEC will consider Ethereum as a commodity because how could Ethereum be a commodity like Bitcoin? How did it pass the POV test? I don't know. But they gave the approval for Ethereum ETFs. Right now, these asset managers are trying to get more crypto ETFs approved. That means more crypto projects are getting approved for ETFs like Solano and Ripple. But with the success of Ethereum ETFs, we can be sure that Solana ETFs and Ripple ETFs are on the way and coming soon rather than later. I thought Ethereum ETFs will be approved only later this year, but I was wrong. It happened in quarter 3 of 2024. So you understand what I am saying. Other ETFs will follow suit sooner. Even now, you have to understand asset managers or asset management companies have already filed for Solana ETFs later this June to the SBOE, Chicago Board of Exchange. And they have submitted the 19B for filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, asking to list VanEck and 21 shares potential spot Solana ETF. So it's going to happen within a couple of months, maybe next year, but I think it will happen sooner. As of now, these two asset management companies have already filed. But Franklin Templeton is also eyeing on Solana ETFs. This is primarily due to Solana's major adoption, and it continues to mature, overcoming technological growing pains and highlighting the potential of high throughput monolithic architecture. You have to understand Ethereum has bottlenecks even today. It has a huge transaction cost or transaction fee and it doesn't scale well. But Solana has low latency and low fees. So people are moving into Solana. And Solana has beaten Ethereum to volumetric trades. That means per day Solana trades about in volume $2 billion, while Ethereum only trades in $1.7 billion. So this is a huge boon for Solana. As Solana's total value lock of tokens has increased of 25% in a month, crossing the $5.28 billion mark to levels last seen in April 2022. So the TVL, total value locked in the Texas, have increased substantially over the months, and the network has made at least $1.5 million each day since June, while netting over $2 billion in on-chain trading volumes each day for the past week. It has beaten Ethereum to a punch. Solana's key appeal among traders is its fast settlement speed and low fees. That's been the basis for meme coin trading frenzies several times in the past year. You have to understand that Solana is famous for its Bonk coin, Saudi Bonk, and meme coins like that, because meme coins attract attention. And if you compare Solana with Ethereum, you will understand clearly. Ethereum is the world's largest blockchain by TVL, total value locked. Ethereum has like $60 billion locked, but it records very small volumetric trade of about $1.7 billion, and it has a higher fees, $3 million. That's why it is expensive for users. I don't know why SEC is considering Ethereum as a commodity. I really don't know. I think it's due to the fact that crypto is getting adopted by many countries like China, who is against the US. So US is trying its best in easing crypto regulations. Otherwise, they will be out of the game. That's why they are trying so hard to get crypto adopted. And the current administration is also trying to get it adopted because Trump administration is pro-crypto. So if they don't, people won't vote for them, or a segment of people won't vote for them. So they want their vote. That's why I think they are relaxing or easing crypto regulations as of now. I hope you understand. Now we can come back to Solana. Many think Solana will reach $2,500 in the coming bull run. Maybe, but $2,500 is too much given the Solana's current price. Look, Solana is trading around $178. That means the market cap of Solana is around $78 to $80 million. If it were to trade around $2,500, it would have to at least 10 to 15x from here. That will make the Solana's market cap around $1 trillion. It's possible in the future, but I don't hope it anytime soon. Maybe in the future, maybe in 1 year, maybe. But I'm still suspicious about whether Solana could reach that target in the near term, because Solana already had a pump. If it 10x from here, it would 100x from the price of 2023 November. It's achievable, but I doubt so. But anything could happen. Just saying, anything could happen. But I am concerned about this successive approvals of ETFs. Let's suppose next is XRP. Then after that, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coins. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coins doesn't have any utility back behind them. So there is no utility backing them. Hence, what's the use of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin or any other meme coins? So I don't know why the CC will give approval to these products. I really don't know. If they give approval, I feel sad for humanity actually. Anyway, let it get approved. We could make lots of money on the way, even though most of them will lose money. That's what Bitwise CIO said. He said more crypto ETFs after Ethereum success. Solana and XRP next? Yeah, sure. Many crypto projects will get ETF approved. I'm sure of that. Even though Ethereum's approval was a success, but its debut was a failure. Because in day one itself, they got a cash inflow of $200 million and 1 million volumetric trade per day. That's good. But there was an outflow of around $400 million. These negative flows account for staggering 5% of its $10 billion in assets under management. This outflow just occurred day after Grayscale transferred $1 billion to its Ethereum mini trust to provide seed capital for the launch event. That means $484 million flowed out of the system or the ETF fund. But you shouldn't be concerned about this incident because this is just the beginning. This is the debut. Even though the debut was not as expected as it to be, it doesn't matter. They are expecting $10 billion inflow within the next 12 months. So they are expecting Ethereum to be around 6,000 to 7,200 range. That's the trading price. So we need to chill here and step back and be calm and patient. Wait for the moment to strike. And the other good news is Ferrara is going to expand crypto payments for cars to Europe following US launch, says Reuters. Because Ferrara has great acceptance from US. Their high-end consumers are accepting cryptocurrencies to buy a Ferrari. And that's great actually. And it's been a huge success there. So they are expanding their services to Europe. They have partnered with Bitway as its crypto payment processor. That's for the US launch, accepting payments in Bitcoin, Ether and the USDC. That's the reason why they are using USDC, because you could convert Bitcoin to USDC. It's a stable coin. So the dealers don't have to expect price swings. You understood? Because they could convert USDC into fiat currency and get the deal done. And you have to understand, both the market and the dealers are accepting cryptocurrencies. They are ready to give Ferrari if the market is willing to pay in cryptocurrency. So it's not just the market, even the dealers are ready to accept cryptocurrency. They are ready to deal in cryptocurrency. They are willing to give Ferrari if the consumer is willing to pay in cryptocurrencies. That includes Bitcoin, Ether and USDC. USDC is for exchanging into fiat currency because USDC is stable. And that's the news for today. If you do love this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.